and then 10th March 2025. Yeba Sunya District Court B. There are 2 cases in court. The first case involving Mr. Ignatius Bafowa and then Police Inspector Dria Ajiman and Chiremi. 3 accused persons in the first case. When you say all the 3 accused persons will bail. Nearby, there are some police prosecutor they took court and when say
Abusuafo eye 10th March na na court ekwa asetina efa kotokofan pole okopie mu nsu atra okohia ye ne nkwanhia wu no na court ekwa asetina na omo ekotwetwe nkomo hwe senia ombesi afa atoa ne case ni so na yebra kwasi magina ha okopie mu court nti obema ye nchiremu wo mkodru ye no senia esifa ekọ ewo ho Mr. Magina akwaba
na
Old Burger TV ni.
Medamase.
Utimi kopie mu ewo court ene day na mokoye no. Sen na esi wo ho.
Yo medase set for ebe share nso a on the 3rd of February na Theatreman FC ene Asante Kotoko. Omo ekohia ya na omo bobo mekire premiership ya yeboy. Enam so ema wan timi ho ase BCA enam so ma ye abranti a ope kotoko asem odi kotoko achi mehwehwe mu kra kire se okọ kumase a wo ye circle chairman at the particular area na mirefi odi amu akotini yi pa
kotoko ankasa
kanti enam so ma
die hard fan na wowu amba kotoko
wowu na enam sa wu na ba mu no na akwanko hia say apolisifoɔ hwehwemu na yɛde the accused person nipa isusu sɛ ɔmo na nam so ama sansemone ne course no etimi echenti wohwemu a so far case na ba yewura former employment and labor relations minister na say former MP Sunyani West Honorable Bafowa and other the bodyguard yes a police officer Ajiman and one other guy be and edikan appear before court and I'm so I made edikan grant your more bail na bail no emu mienu na edikan grant ye Bafowa and other one the 3rd accused person. The 2nd accused person now Honorable Bafowa bodyguard and there ye manu call custody court na yewra his worship Justice Denin ekire say per information prosecutors in their bomb there it will not permit court granted the bodyguard no bail and I'm someone call the next appearance no and appear say court beat me amano bail into no so enya enum enya nipa enum ebeka ho a omo so no ehwehwemu a ye niaba one lady bi yire finidi ya otaka bunu
Black Chinese
ono so omo so say he might know something about court case they will issue they will so we are very careful one can the court aka now do upim ko kan hwa between be na akwachi contempt intino by court they hwe mo no so any others no e grant on bail the 3rd appearance in court no nipa e be kan ho no emu miensa omo ye remind omo because they believe say the omuntimi omo bail because of the investigation na ekoso no until then 3 persons are in custody of Ghana prisons and police custodies are pending for say court be at the end of be bua say omo nim ho ana omo nim ho
na no ye handful no
omo ana omo na eka Akosia Black Chinese group no
okay
nti omo no be ye 6 na enum no 6 no eno na baako is at large ye ka say at large e wo court nsemu a e kire say waje prabasa wadwane nti ye hwehwe no nti say wo ti we hu na abrante e friend no Brima AK Rasta ni dinu ni AK no doso nti saa abrante no na samre ye hwehwe no yesusu se wono na awudi na course no wono akodi saa awukasem no e de tia enua eye puli na enne yesa
one oba ne nso Grace nyawo no
wono no ka eye
oka ho tese won na boa ma Brima na dwane
wono amane na enne ye ka ho asem ne wono na enne yes asakwa apie according to information available to me from court which say the Grace no is believed to be isusu say nempena na ye ye hwehwe na ye hu na ye Brima na court nsemu no senkanye the magnitude of this case nka ono no case no de e chense nka ono no charge na nka ye least charge e wo court because say according that is see reti court case bia charge the bo bia ni mudru a nke ne ono ne type of case no and an charge no be the least one munyedu but the tiene say and ne ko pm court no court the kind the three sureties say ompe aginamu miensa but when to me meet that requirement into court almost had the bar court court review because court was at to me no reduce to 3 persons 2 people say omuna ye adance for na enyi nipa omu ete sunyane ne hase afei making sure say obe reporting ho to police every day regional CID department of the Bono region no on reporting ho every day kopim say court bit me at sisa ayensa kiraye wo ne o kan no nti so far wo hwe a se say no ne akoduru no and abra asem no course no a lawyer of Asante Kotoko court judge no justice Denin Eric Denin edito nkrabi efa no so say on communicated to the GFA say brebia akwanya bebamu a Asante Kotoko ene team bia bebo board won hwe say obi provide enough security and from Asante Kotoko football club send be ya obi to me ahwe no nkrofo so yi na my den oma ko abra obi hun tichima
omo asende exhibits and I say enema bi a police person omo didi adanse e wasem no mu e de ko Accra for the friend forensic audit na examination into almost train the reports or the outcome of the forensic examination into court amount of time is answer reports in your mind in the end say it is a police for here dance here ahodo enema bebre bit me aye bibia into court to assess sadia and the case no 2nd April bia enu hono na sa report no aba na fi court ama further direction in this year no the first case ya enipa mensa and ya charge them as accused persons bafo wa police inspector Dua Ajiman and one chairman no they are 2nd April o princess Adam be do na police force nneɛma a wɔde akɔ Accra ɛkɔyɛ forensic examination no na report no aba saa da na court bɛma no further direction na sɛ deɛ yɛnyɛ bi mu asɛm no ɛne ɛba asɛm a ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa meka sɛ deɛ ɛtɔ so mmiɛnsa a ɛyɛ awura a ɛfrɛ no Grace Siaw a ɔno ne the last person a polisifoɔ akye no acharge ɔno nko ara no a ɔwɔ separate sheets foforɔ so no ɔno nso court man bail last week no na still no bail conditions ana ɛyɛ nipa mmiɛnsa sɛ ɔmo sign as sureties ɛma no a mmienu mfiri ɛnyɛ ɔmo te sunya kurom ha na baako nka ho a sika ɛda ne ti so yɛ 50,000 no na baba wɔn ntimi emiti bail conditions no nti ɛnɛ court asesɛm kakra court ayɛ no nipa mmienu sɛ nipa mmienu no mfa ho sɛ baabi obi ate nipa mmienu biara betimi abesan ama no nti ɛno nso no Grace Siaw deɛ no nso no sanity nti court so de asɛm no ahyɛ 19th March ya ukuada eba yi na wɔtwe sɛ yɛnsamra na ɔma further direction nti nsɛm mmienu ɛba so court sisia no ebi a meka kyerɛ amanfoɔ sɛ nsɛm yɛ mmiɛnsa ɛna abɛdi court ha didi kan meka sɛ baafo wɔ case ɔno wɔn yɛ 3 accused persons deɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu ɛna polisifoɔ charge nipa 6 ɛnum na 5 yɛnyɛ wɔn a 1 person yɛfrɛ no Daniel February adodoɔ no afrɛ no Brahma no a yɛsi wɔ dwane no ɔno ne the second case no sila no polisifoɔ nya ne nkyɛn no ɛna the third case abɛka ho ama case na mmiɛnsa no ɛno so ababa yɛfrɛ no Grace Siaw a polisifoɔ sɛ na ɔno na ne mpra ne abranteɛ Brahma a polisifoɔ sisi sɛ ɔno na ɛdi awuo nankasa no ɔboa ma ne dwane yɛ ɔgye ne hyɛ ne nkyɛn bɛɛ na ɔtwe mmienu ntɛm ɛboa ano ama polisifoɔ ntumi ankyɛ no a wama na tumi atu kwa dwane Africa na ɔno nso no case no so na third case ɛno nso ɛba so ɛmpa ɔkyena ɛna second case a ɛyɛ 6 accused persons ɛwɔ mu no aba akɔ dwane no ɛno na ɛba so ɔkyena ɛno nso ɔkyena court dwumadie ne sɛ nipa mmiɛnsa a ɔmunya bail in that case no our lawyers a application for bail and the last sitting no ochina na court be man mu aye and a ruling on the bail applications no into ochina be henu say court be grant bail ama mema miensa na omunya bail in the second case na e man mienu nya bail no aba akodwa no mema na miensa na obi anya bail ochina na e be hu say court be man bail and as a court ema bail ya nti sana eti ochina isaba ɛno deɛ wansesa no ɛda so gyina court adwene mu no ogiri sɛ ababa wɔn Ghana mmara emu no bɔne a yɛde bɔɔ no ɛyɛ misdemeanor kasa misdemeanor bɔne a yɛtwe ho aso no di sɔkora na ɛsɛ ne bɔne ne sɛ ogyi krɔmfoɔ na sɛ nipa bɔnefoɔ hyɛ ne nsɛm a ama polisifoɔ ntumi ankyɛn sɛ ogyi nipa bɔne ne hyɛ wo nkyɛn na woma no dwane arrest na wama polisifoɔ nya no ankyɛn no a ɛno yɛse bɔne no emu ketewa paa no court no adwene mu no ogiri sɛ ɔyɛ nsesaeɛ wɔ ne bail conditions no mu a ɛyɛ court so otumi sɛ ɔyɛ saa ɛwɔ sɛ asɛm kɛseɛ sinti na ama ayɛ bibi kɛseɛ nka ne bɔne no deɛ mmara mu no ne di so koraa akɔto di sɛ ɛmfa ho sɛ bɔne no sa no dwumadie no odi yɛ no so mu odunti na court ɛde saa mmara wɔ nyinaa kyekyere no ɛnyɛ no nko a court sɛ da biara ɔmfa ne ho nkɔkyerɛ sunyane Regional Police Command CID department ho na CID ho da biara no de court on system afei so no court si onyakwa APA enne da ya onkofa ne passport a na sa de bi odu to yi bia eno so on samfa emedan registry ha e man na ho na de etie no opani o tie adwom de futuo e ma Ghana football obi enu say team kese omo hu nipa doso nti oma bambo mu enye kese efa matches ya kotoko ewom bia ho ono de ogiri se eyade a chinye bia ni ho Ghana se kotoko eso kotoko ye whole institution oni kotoko kra ko bo match ya krum ho kra wa ko bo no sika sem ni bibia koso to ni ogiri se de esi ni kwa se ebisi biem ni kotoko ehia bambo mo din pa o mu se obia hia bambo no so gidi se kotoko kase no e wosoro pa ani kwa se etoto bambasi e fa kotoko dwumadi ho ndi no ne ade o se nkama DFA asonti.
In my view and the wisdom of the judge statement say when you be a wadwi mudra you would think say he is referring to only Asante Kotoko say the biggest club. So what you say maybe House of Folk die-hearted man but Kotoko na se same na asem no aba nti why now work out at the moment Kotoko nti why now obetumi ato nkrasi ne so amanade amai Kotoko and I think say the judge was not inference to say Kotoko is the only biggest club in Ghana football. And for that matter, say the security should be paramount to only Asante Kotoko. Because asemi CA a year pole we enye Kotoko nkwana eyomuya. Everybody we Ghana niya we badwin bade. Me hu obi a frimu a ebeye no dese ebia me Kotoko me has me any club ntino DSBA no me dese obi no I don't think so obi abedwin sa obi kra utamfu kra yare no wu a you show some remorse to the person ntino they make can say ohwe the demeanor of Kotoko supporters omo penimfo so kwan omo fa so omo ba court a otum say omo so no asem no ewura omo omo ya and ye hwe say ye nyina ye siki justice sanse say ye wo mem ne yemfa mra yem value ye others person's life. It is not idea what see so ntino emnim say ya asem ya de nanso so Kotoko fort me asom den na yen hweni. And I will also suggest to GFE say as time goes on there are certain things that I personally have issue with GFE. How come say babe bobo nowadays ahobambo no sem no ahye home team no obo no ensa yes ara obi a won interest he or she are in charge of security obeye a favor ono no nti se nka ye independent body bi na nka ye in charge of security na enye ene other say away and say home team no na security no eye intact. I don't think say sa I will kasem we betimi yesi na face so ye Ghana ha no ye pe ball no but asede ne akade a was ye football manya ne ye look at our pitches below the standard. Ntino we can flout the security issues your pitches so foreign matches look at the way security no at here. Have you ever observed omo tightness no kra no enye say numbers no kra no so kra na the who say police ni announce security person now yes o mehwe say periperi ye be cause wo agro no emune coin be wie na obi akonfi akwaji nani no who say wo hwe footballers
na hakura de
omo kra jubility
na no kra ka say jina yie no na wo chese massa we
what's nani so what I say but elsewhere omo chihwe park no so no omo hwe crowd no into obi obe misbehave bia or your supporter they will be able to pick the person. But here in our case and yes sir otu anye kura police ni bi timi jubility yes we are nipa obetumi but when you are on duty you must act as a professional security person who provide security service to that cause. Nti say ye ne sa na ebeboa na mesa advice se muntimi mount CCTV cameras se mu bebobo a mu high mu behu o bloggerfo mbe mu machines na mu mount o machines papa ebi esim ho na mu de aye den ahwe ama say obia bibia, you will be able to capture the person very easily. So it has you remind the individual bloggers ibi ena say omorolai I think Solomon ono ena otimi pick information na yetimi nya be reference nti wuti ba bi na oya yi a
obi
ahu nti no sometimes no ye nya isa na clubs no etoda they don't respect the media. They don't respect the media. Sometimes Odruha as a it is hard time you give maximum respect to media guys. Men can say you need scantino, but obey sebi obey acting certain way at the amaya. So I say yes, also we help in so many ways. So I say into so being poor baby no who say camera wa obey
God is a capture. And that's be onya ya na
eko. Nti no onye. But say mo yes ana say media for no so feel frustrated na mo twa mo hu mfiri mu a. De bekoso no ebini. Ti mesre nti football no ye pese amanfo ani gye ho a. Ye nya ade a ebema amanfo ani agye ho. And I believe say omo ahyedo okuada bi na otwe.
Which is 19th.
Ombesa aba on the issues no. I think say appropriate, but I will give thumb up to the judge. Though case in Yanko end, but judge no dear. Personally, my monitor for afar, where indeed a justice and part. We share coin or deliver ya, or ye plain or no finance and see. Send me 17 or cancer. And see, was that kind of judges, no, a judicial system more. Something that will help us. It was a or can't some now, or can't say, or no, no, what will shoot. It is all about Cronua. Oh, who says, say me, and I think we are mere. How will live into a film out? Say, as some say, oh, judging there, oh, bugger for Muma, yeah, Muncoman award. Come on, award, Uncle Paper.
Abusuafo ya ne Mr. Akwesi Magina na abetwetwe nkomo wa my update fa eye kotoko fan pole a okonsu atre na okohia ne nkwanhia wuo no yese ene 10th March na court tenase na yese tu ahye 19th March ukoda we ba na awotwe na ombesan atena so bi na abaya Grace sia de steward so wo monte so de sa
never mind
okay
but a condition say she should be reporting to the CID of the Bruno region every day.
Old Burger TV ni